amid the concerns over this application that had triggered over e-rickshaw shutdowns. This is an immediate action that has been undertaken by the government, with the IT ministry has now directed Google Play Store and the Apple App Store to remove the BAT BMS application. Now, this app, which has now been taken down from both of the platforms as it was allegedly being used to remotely switch off e-rickshaws, and this action was taken amid concerns over security risk and the potential for misuse. Let's connect with Sabya on this. So, Sabya, we have the government immediately springing into action. This application rather was being misused as a prank there. However, it could have caused deadly incidents.
Well, that's right. See, a lot of influencers as well as pranksters use this app to remotely shut down e-rickshaws in various states across the country, and several state government, in fact, have raised concern. And the IT ministry today spurred into action, and they have asked the Google Play Store as well as the Apple Play Store to ban this app immediately in India. The app, which is BAT BMS, the app is manufactured by China. Now the message from the IT ministry is very much loud and clear that such app cannot be tolerated because it increases the risk of safety concern, because if you talk about the e-rickshaw drivers who earn around 400 to 500 rupees daily, if their battery is being drained out or remotely stopped, it causes problem for their livelihood as well as put the passengers' life at risk as well. And that is the reason why a strong action coming in from the IT ministry, and the IT ministry has also stated that they are going to track down on similar such apps in Apple Play Store as well as in Google Play Store to make sure that these apps are immediately taken down.
All right, so this is the action that has been initiated by the government, because we've seen several videos that are now being circulated of people using the application to stop the e-rickshaws remotely. That seems to have gone viral across social media platforms, and to which we are now looking at the government that has now stepped in and has asked for the removal of this application, which is turning out to be a controversial one apart when it comes to its misuse, because this BAT BMS that is being used by the people to remotely shut down e-rickshaws and via Bluetooth connection, and the videos that the people have been using as a prank with this application to stop the e-rickshaws remotely has gone viral across social media platforms. And now they seem to be looking out, especially when it comes to the government, which has now taken up this very step. The concerns that has been growing, which is now the government, the IT ministry in particular, directing both Google Play Store and the Apple App Store to remove the BAT BMS application. And this app, what is now being said, has been taken down from both of the platforms. And it was being alleged that it was being used remotely to switch off e-rickshaws. Now, as far as when it comes to the battery management application is now concerned, and after connecting the app to the battery, and also when it comes to the display that immediately goes blank, and the driver of that vehicle was unable to restart the e-rickshaw until it was switched back on the same application. So that seems to be the dangers that it was posing, and especially when it comes to the people there on the vehicle, well, their lives were also put at risk. So this is now coming in from the clips that quickly went viral, sparking concern among drivers, dealers and the EV users over the possibility of the misuse of connected battery management systems.